Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the last video in the demolition side of the bungalow to house build. After this video you'll start to see me prepping the walls, getting the steels in, building the floor and then building the walls ready for the trusses. In this video you'll see me knocking down several of the internal walls as we plan to open most of this space up, and obviously we've got to make room for the stairs as well. This is the dining room wall, so at the moment I'm taking off all the door frames, architraves and all the skirtings, and then in a minute I'll get the cut-off saw and I'll start to cut down the right hand side of the wall. What we don't want is the external walls getting damaged while I'm knocking down the dining room walls, so I use the cut-off saw just to separate the two, so when I do knock the wall down it doesn't damage it. This is the exact moment I hit my finger with the hammer. I was scared to take the glove off, I'll be honest. I thought I took the top of my finger off. It was extremely painful. My nail still hasn't healed up now, and I had to drill it with a 2mm drill bit to let some of the pressure out. But here I am, cracking on again, changing the t-shirt, holding the jackhammer and carrying on, even with a finger that was throbbing, that felt like it was broken. So I'm taking all the render off to expose the blocked up window that used to be there. I'd imagine it was just garden to the right hand side before the house was built, and they then decided to block that window up. I knew it was already there because I'd seen the render lines on the outside, so I knew there was a window there. So I decided to take all the render off to expose it, and it's a good job that I did, because they hadn't blocked right up to the lintel, and obviously the steel's going above there, so it was no good. I needed it structurally sound, so I had to lay some bricks in the top there, which was quite difficult, but I managed it. I understand why they didn't bother going right the way up, but obviously now there's a steel in there, I've got no choice. Thank you for watching, guys, and I look forward to showing you some of the second floor being built in the next couple of videos. Cheers.